I can think of all the times you told me not to touch the light. I never thought that you would be the one. I couldn't really justify how you even thought it could be right, 'cause everything we cherished is gone. And in the end, can you tell me if it was worth the try, so I can decide? Leaves will soon grow from
Sabutin ka mahali sa ibis ko.
and all will be alright in time. From waves overgrown comes a calmest of seas, and all will be alright in time. You never really love someone until you learn to forgive. Try as hard as I might to feel
Isok mo yan, tay. At naman kita kay Gimang.
it makes me feel blue. Something I try to hide when every breath and every hour I still end up thinking of you. And in the end, everything makes it worth the fight. So I will hold on for as long as leaves will soon grow from the bareness of trees, and all will be alright in time. From waves overgrown comes a calmest of seas, and all will be alright in time. Oh, you never really love someone until you learn to forgive. But I will see the day that I decide if I should leave or stay. But in the end, what makes it worth
Salamat.
Salamat. Nabasog ka?
Busog ko.
Nabasog ka kaso manok.
Manok.
Tapos, ano pa taong tingkakan mong saro? Spaghetti.
Spaghetti.
Spaghetti. Atyan may hotdog ka pa. Merindalan mo atyan. Hotdog. Pip.
From waves overgrown comes a calmest of seas, and all will be alright in time. Once I
Mabuli ka na. Mayroon ka lamang.
Tapos, ano pa tayo? Sabi na.
Mabuli ka na ni. Mawanan ta ka lamang. Bago ko makadaan. Atong mabutong ang buhay ko ni. Kaya na ako kakatindaw. Wala na. Marita naghahangos pa. Kaya po ko na sintimos. Wala mo pambakal sila.
Tama mo. Tayo pa, ano pa? Sabihin mo. Ano sabihin mo, tay?
Yun, mayroon mo yung tito rin, pero basta kung may kwarta, di makabakal ka mo sila.